Hello guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on quickly today to share with you a few dies I picked up from Alina Crafts. I picked up this die right here. It's a window die. I picked up this die right here. It creates a curtain and it's a really fun die to play with. And then I also picked up this set right here and it comes with these 3 bows. So I'm going to share with you what I created using these 3 dies. I'm just going to jump right on in. I've been on my unicorn kick, so I had to make a unicorn card base. So here it is, absolutely adorable. I love it. I used the window die and I have it open. And then right here is where I created the curtains and it's super, super cute. Let me just show you really quickly. This is the curtain die, and what I did was I cut off all of the fringe around the curtain to create this look right here, so it looks like this. And then all you do is accordion fold, and it's actually really simple to do. And you just fold it. It's going to be hard for me to do it like this. Let me just move this out of the way so I can just show you. You just accordion fold it back and forth. And it actually folds really, really easily. I didn't even realize that that's how you created it. It actually folds like that. Let me focus. So then it creates that window, like window shade, you know, window curtain effect. You see how I have it pinched together, and obviously you can accordion, you know, fold back and forth all the way through to create the curtains, and that's what I did to create this card, in case you're wondering. So I cut it in half, so this was half of the curtain and this is the other half, and then I just added the little bows and some bling to my curtains. I just thought that was extra cute. I used some star dies for my stash, and that Michael's Recollection bling, I've been using that on all my projects because I just love that bling. It's so pretty. And it believed is a die from my stash. I've shared that die with you guys before in the past. And that's it. This is the unicorn die I've also shared as well. And I just love the way that this card came out. I just love the fact that you can create little scenes. You can have a little girl in the window, or, you know, anything. So really adorable, fun dies. This is a quick share for you today. Please leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Check the description box below for more information on today's video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.